Good morning, you join me at Oakums, the new factory. Today we're going to see Narrowboat Angel come in, but first of all what I've got to do is unload all my van. And that's everything, that's the house cleared now. So I'll show you the van in a bit. Let's just go see around the corner because I'm told that there's a great big wagon here and a massive crane with Narrowboat Angel on the back. So let's go have a look, see you in a bit. Well, that's it folks, that's me officially homeless. That's everything stored in there. 20 boxes is my whole life. But let me tell you, downsizing's been absolutely liberating. And I heard some vloggers say that downsizing's liberating, and now I understand exactly what you mean. To get rid of all those bulky items, what you don't need, and stuff you just hoard over the years. So to just get rid of everything's just been so good. I'm so looking forward to just having minimalistic things that just mean something to me, and I had a slight criteria, especially with the clothes. It was, do I wear it? If the answer's yes, then fine. Have I worn it in the last 12 months? No. Any no's, straight in the charity box. I think I took 7 bags to the charity shop of clothes, what I never wear. You know, I had maybe 5-6 pairs of jeans. I'd pick the same 2 pairs up every time. So I've just put sentimental things that actually really mean something to me. And when you sit and look around your house, what you've got, there's not a lot really what's that valuable to you. But somebody mentioned, one of the guys commented on one of my last videos, saw this picture. Let me just get it you, just hang on. Sorry about that. Somebody asked me about this picture. This is what I've brought with me. It's a painter from Stoke-on-Trent. His name's Steve Howard. This is number 26 of 200, and it just represents Stoke-on-Trent, where I come from, and this will take pride of place in my saloon. It's Fellows and Morton narrowboat. which I believe we're based at Longport Wharf, which is where this photo's taken, this painting's taken from. There's the pot kiln there, the bottle kilns, which is representative of Stoke-on-Trent in pottery, and you can see the Spitfire just flying over the bridge, and that's to Reginald Mitchell, who was the designer of the Spitfire. Originally he designed the Spitfire he passed away actually in 1937, so he never actually saw it as a warplane, but it was designed originally as a seaplane, a racing plane. So that's going to take pride and place on the boat. So that's beautiful, I love that. I'm back. So that just leaves me to say thanks for watching, guys. Please continue to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Hopefully I'll have somewhere to live very soon. Bye for now.